this beautiful autumn sunshine while checking out some of the newer parts of London that have been under redevelopment over the last few years. I've lived in London all my life, and I grew up sort of the Vauxhall area, more towards Oval, and recently Elms has been redeveloped beyond all recognition, and I thought it'd be quite cool to check out the new housing developments, the US Embassy. I know that's been built around there, and it's got some lovely little restaurants and stuff, and I thought we'd take a walk up to the new Battersea Power Station shopping mall, because I have yet to explore any of this, so I thought, why not take a nice walk in the sunshine and check it all out. So yeah, the weather has been beautiful this week in London, especially after the mini cold snap that we had last week. So yeah, I'm very happy to see the sunshine out, and yeah, let's enjoy this beautiful autumn day. So when I grew up around here, these massive tower blocks, skyscrapers, whatever you want to call it, didn't exist. This area was pretty much a derelict wasteland, or maybe just warehouses. So it's been crazy how much has been built on around here. There's a new train station, the Elms train station, or tube station should I say, that now links up to the rest of the line. When I was a child, this whole area, so where we're walking through now, used to be just like warehouses, and there'd just be ramps and stuff. So we used to bring our BMX bikes and go BMXing, because it was just wide open spaces where we could skid our bikes and be children. Whereas now there is just wall to wall of these very much New York style skyscraper living accommodations, which I'm not a fan of. I do prefer more of a traditional English site. So yeah, and here's the new USA Embassy. Yeah, I'm more of a Edwardian, Victorian and Georgian kind of classic girl, so don't get the appeal of living in, a skyscraper tower block with wall-to-wall glass and other people staring in. So yeah, not been convinced yet on this kind of new developments that keep coming up everywhere, but I guess we've got to make space for people everywhere, and someone's got the money to spend on these kind of houses. I don't actually know who has, but there's someone out there. So that's the US Embassy, and if you see between the two buildings over there, you can see a swimming pool, a glass swimming pool, which I do think is rather cool. I keep saying to my son every time we go past it on the bus that we need to make friends with someone in that building so that we can go and use the pool, because I do think that's a pretty cool thing to have in one of these tower blocks. It's a nice outdoor glass pool. So yeah, we're just going to head up from here and check out some of the other newer buildings over towards the River Thames, which are facing right onto the riverfront, which look quite nice. Lots of little eateries down the bottom, little gyms and stuff. Like I said, I haven't explored this area, so it's all quite new for me. But I thought these little boats here were quite cute, as the alternative lifestyle just appealed to me a little bit. I watch lots of these narrow boats and living on a narrow boat, or living tiny. So it's nice to see it happening in the middle of central London, although I'm assuming they pay an absolute fortune for the mooring in this area. But I guess it's nice to wake up to the beautiful view of the Thames and the skyline. So yeah, I guess it's a big appeal to some people. And there's the Battersea Power Station that we are going to go and check out. building to the left of the Battersea power station, and does it look like to you that someone's like crushed up a can? That's what it kind of looks like. The outside looks like a crushed can. I don't get the I don't get the appeal. Yeah, but this is all really nice around here because for years they had been saying they were going to redevelop the Battersea power station, but I think it took a lot longer. People couldn't agree with what they wanted it to be. So it's finally nice to see it opened and actually having some use, because like I said, it had laid closed for many years. So yeah, so here's a new little entranceway into the Battersea power station, and you've got a very large Zara. You've got some outside eateries, and there was a Marks and Spencer's food. Yeah, and this is the new shopping mall, which I guess will, because we don't really have many shopping malls apart from the big Westfields, but they're on the other side of London, so I guess this is our mini version of a Westfields. I really like what they've done with the space. It's very industrial but quite modern at the same time, and there's lots of shops here, from obviously Apple, there was Chanel, Ralph Lauren, Nike, Adidas, there's loads. I personally wouldn't really come shopping here, but I don't really have the budget to do designer shopping, so yeah, but it's nice to come and have a little look. And here's a Lego store. I actually popped in for a little bit because my son's madly into Lego, to see if I could get him some new Lego pieces. And we're just going to go and check out the second floor now. As it's not a massive shopping place, but there's 2 or 3 floors that are worth having a look at. And yeah, there's a lovely view of the second floor and the whole of the shopping mall. Up here there also is a lift that you can get to go and check out the I think the mechanics of the Battersea power station and the pumps and stuff, but it was £23 and I didn't fancy doing that. But you can go and check out the history, and they do have walking tours, guided tours that you can join on to if you're interested in the history of the Battersea power station. This is the food hall. Everything was closed because I came at 9 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, so nothing was quite open, but yeah, you could get a good look of it without the crowds blocking in the way. There was this ping pong bar, which I thought looked quite fun, as I do love a good game of ping pong, so you can check that out. There is a cinema, I believe there's an arcade, and this restaurant looked really nice. Really nice. I can imagine this on Friday night drinks, just chilling out. The ambience looks really beautiful. And there's lots of little eateries, lots of little art galleries, and obviously you've got your designer shops. So really worth checking out if you want somewhere new to hang out in London and you want to get away from the hustle and bustle of Covent Garden or Oxford Street. It might feel like it's a little bit further out the way from them sides, but it's really nice area now with the redevelopment to check out. And like you said, there's a tube station that is about a 5-minute walk from the Battersea power station, so it really is worth a look. You can play giant chess if that's your thing. And there's a Mac store as well if you need to get some makeup after you played your giant chess. And now we're going to go and explore the outside grounds, as there's some really cool seating areas down here. This sort of area reminds me of, I don't know, like LA or something, like these sort of long boulevards kind of. It's just a bit crazy to think this is London, because I don't know, because I've obviously grown up around here. It just feels like I'm on holiday somewhere different. It really is strange to see, although I'm very grateful for them regenerating the area and bringing more money into the area. It's just, yeah, it's very different from what I know it. And you can get an Uber boat up the river. to the site as well, which is always lovely to do on a beautiful day like today. And you have Battersea Power Station, not Battersea Power, Battersea Park Station. And I think that's the arcade area there. It wasn't open, so I couldn't really go and check it out. But I think they do like crazy golf and stuff. And I know in the Christmas time they have an ice skating ring around here and a Christmas market, which is pretty cool. So maybe I'll come back and do some filming in the December once Christmas comes upon us. And there was some really nice seating area around here with just some deck chairs that you could chill out on with your friends on a Friday night, or maybe before catching a movie. I do like how they've really built it up with the plants and stuff around here. I think it's really beautiful. There you go, there's a lovely lawn area that you can chill out or bring your dog or your kids with you. I do believe they might have some like musicians and stuff on the weekend. I think there's always something going on around here, so it really is a good check out for the family on the weekends. So I do hope you've enjoyed this small tour of the new developments in and around Nine Elms. I hope you get out and explore maybe somewhere new and enjoy this beautiful weather while we have it. It's always lovely to film for you guys, and I hope you like. Please subscribe, as it will help my channel to grow. And please leave me any comments in the comment box if there's anything you would like me to cover or any suggestions on how to improve. I'll be grateful to hear. Take care. Bye.